Hello, little girl. Hello.
Learn&Lead.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Learn&Lead.
Good afternoon. What's your name?
My name is Ruby.
Ruby. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Good job. Give me five. Yeah, Ruby, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. And how old are you, Ruby?
I'm 6 years old.
Wow, 6 years old. Very good. Now, Ruby, if you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, point your teacher.
Teacher.
Very good. Now, can you please pinch your nose
Finger.
and pat your head? Rub your stomach. Stomp your feet. Very good. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now, first of all, tell me what color do you like?
I like pink and purple and red
You like?
and black and white.
Oh, you like so many colors. What color is your dress? Give me that.
In
Yes. What color is your dress?
the color in the dress is pink.
My dress is
Pink.
color pink. Very good. And what animals do you like, Ruby?
I like cat and dog.
You like cats and dogs. Very good. And where do you see cats and dogs? Do you...
Cat on my house and dog.
You see cats and dogs in your house?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what about cats and dogs at the zoo or on the farm? Where do you see them?
On the farm.
On the farm. And what animals do you see at the zoo?
I see zebra, alligator, bird,
And I see zebra, alligator, and birds at the and giraffe, elephant, snake,
elephant, snake,
and
hippopotamus.
at the zoo. Very good. Okay. Now here I will show you some cars. Okay. And you tell me what is it. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Go.
Milk.
Milk. Do you like to drink milk?
Yes, I.
Yes, I do. And what time do you drink milk? In the morning or when you go to bed? When I go to bed, I drink milk. Okay. This one.
Ice cream.
Very good.
Butter.
Butter.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Good.
Scratch.
Good.
Fight. Pinch.
Good job.
Cake.
Very good.
Hit.
Very nice.
Hurt.
Good job.
Noodles.
Good.
Ham.
Very nice.
Juice.
Very good.
Hot dog.
Wow, good job.
Salad. Pancake.
Very good.
Hamburger.
Very nice.
Popcorn.
Very good. Okay, now please tell me, what do you want for dinner?
I want pizza.
I want pizza.
For dinner.
For dinner. Very good. Do you like to sing songs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Later, okay? Do you like to sing songs?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now let's sing this song. Okay?
Yeah.
First of all, tell me what's the title of this song?
The title on this song is Big Big Turkey.
Very good. Now let's sing the song, okay?
I'm a big big turkey. I'm eat and eat. I'm so fat. I'm super fit. When up, wow, 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 wow. When the chick gobble, gobble, gobble. I'm a big, big turkey. I'm eat and eat.
Good job. Okay. Now please tell me, is turkey big or little?
Big turkey.
Big turkey. Because turkey says, I'm a big turkey. Are you big or little? Little. Very good. Okay. Now, please tell me, can turkey see its feet? Can turkey see its feet?
No.
No. Why not?
Big turkey.
Because turkey is big
Big.
and fat. And fat. Right. Is turkey fat or thin?
Fat.
Yes, turkey cannot see its feet because turkey is fat.
Fat.
Very good. Are you fat or thin?
No.
I'm thin, not fat, okay? Can you see your feet?
Yes.
Yes, I can. I can see my feet. All right. So now let's move on. Here we have days of the week. Okay.
Yes.
Now, can you please name 7 days of the week? Monday.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Very good. And what do we say Saturday and Sunday?
Weekend.
Weekend. Very good. Now please tell me what day comes after Monday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Very nice. Okay. Now, do you remember cow?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how do you say your mother for a snack?
Mother, give me popcorn and chips for my snack.
Very good, mother. Give me popcorn and chips for my snack. Very nice. Okay, now I will show you some letters, okay? Look at them and tell me what's the name of this letter and how many sounds this letter make. Okay? All right, go.
The letter J. Make one sound. J.
Very good.
The letter P. Make one sound. P.
Very nice.
The letter E. Make
I.
I. Make three sounds. I. I. E.
A.
I. E.
Very good. Letter I make three sounds. A, I, E. Okay? Now here, make the letter J sound and read the word. Okay. Go.
Jam. Pajama. Yum.
Very nice. Okay. Now we have one poem for you to say. Okay? Already.
Yes.
Go.
Jam. Jam on my pancake. Jam on my bread. Jam in my donut, but not on my head.
Very good. Now I make the sound, all right? And you point and say the word. Okay? Okay. Now let's find J sound.
J.
J.
Jam.
Very good. What about P sound?
Pancake.
Very good. What about B sound?
Bread.
Bread. Yes, good job. What about D sound? D, 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 D. Where's D sound? D. Look at here.
Donut.
Donut. Very good. Okay. Now, what do we need between two words?
Space.
Space. We need a space between two
Word.
words. Very good. Okay. Now please tell me if what do we say when we burp, sneeze, or cough? What should we say?
Excuse me.
Excuse me. And what about if you bump into someone? What should we say?
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Very good. And we can say I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right. So please tell me what are the nice things to say? Excuse me.
You're welcome. I'm sorry. It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, these are some.
Excuse me.
Yeah, these are nice things to
Nice
say.
to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you too. These are nice things to say. Okay. Now here we have a song. Excuse me. Can you please sing?
Excuse you say, excuse me, please. for our only. When you make a sound, the earth touches. Just say, excuse me, please. Excuse me, please. Excuse me for bumping into you. Say, excuse me, please. Excuse me. There's nothing to do.
Very good. Give me 10. Hi. What do you say?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. It's okay. All right. Now here we have a big book for you to read. Okay. Now first of all, tell me the title.
The title of the big book is Sick.
Very good. Can you please read?
I see sick lion sleeping in the sun.
Good.
I see sick zebra starting to run. I see sick little baby kangaroos.
Good.
I see them all at the zoo.
Very good.
The end.
Good job. Okay. Now here, look at the picture and tell me how many baby kangaroos do you see? How many?
Sick kangaroo.
6 little baby kangaroos.
Kangaroo.
I see 6 little baby kangaroos. Where do you see kangaroos?
I see kangaroo. Zoo.
At the zoo. Very good. Okay. Now, what are the lions doing in this picture?
Sick lion.
What are they doing?
Sleeping in the sun.
They are sleeping in the sun. Good job. Okay. Now here we have one more thing for you to read. Okay. All right. There we go. We have a story. Do you like to read stories?
Yes.
All right. Go.
Jam.
Good.
Jam. On my bread. I like jam on my bread. Ham. On my pizza. I like ham on my pizza.
Good job.
Egg with my rice. I like egg with my rice. Noodle in my soup. I like noodle in my soup. Cheese in my sandwich. I like cheese in my sandwich. Milk with my cookie. I like milk with my cookies. Ham.
Meat.
In my spaghetti. I like meat in my spaghetti. Butter on my popcorn. I like butter on my popcorn. Chicken with my salad. I like chicken with my salad. Candy on my ice cream. I like candy on my ice cream.
Okay.
Cake for my birthday. I like cake for my birthday. The end.
Very good. Now, what do you like for your birthday?
I like cake and candy for my birthday.
I like cake and candy for my birthday. Good job. And what do you like in your sandwich?
I like which? I like cheese.
I like cheese, cucumber, carrots, and meat in my sandwich. Okay? All right, very good job. Okay, now here we have one last song for you to sing. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Be nice.
Be nice. Good.
Don't kick pay your friends, don't fight over their hair. Those cracks or her name anywhere. Be nice, nice Johnny Bear.
Very good. Now please tell me what are the nice things to do? Nice things to do. Sit nicely
Be quiet. Listen to teacher.
and don't hit
Okay.
or pinch your friends.
Friend.
These are some very nice things to
Do.
do. Very good. And be nice like
Johnny Bear.
Johnny Bear. Very good. Okay. All right. So now, you like to sing songs, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Can you please one of your favorite songs? Any song that you like? Can you sing it?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. Sing the yellow song.
Yellow things.
Yellow
Yellow things are everywhere you look.
You look.
Yellow pencil, yellow thing, and there is the yellow book.
Mhm.
Yellow shirt, yellow socks, yellow gloves and hats, yellow ticks and yellow ducks, and there is a yellow cat.
Very good. Okay. Now, Ruby, you have done a really great job for today's speaking test, and I'm so proud of you. And parents must be proud of her too. Now, we are going to say goodbye, parents, and goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, everyone, and see you again.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.